imJoa.
Yeah, niggas keep calling, I put that on mute. Show 'em, bitch. Yeah, bitch, I'm in the club with a knock on my boot. Try to run down like he number one, nigga, we bustin' the two. Do the fuck nigga like Def Jam, nigga, we pushing on you.
Can I help you?
Where have you been? It's been 5 months.
It has been a minute. I ain't gonna lie. I just been real busy. Y'all deserve this video. Y'all been wondering where I'm at. This is my new room tour. Check it out, bro. YouTube! Yeah, I did film this tour a few days ago. Technically, it wasn't completely finished. I did add a couple things, you know what I'm saying? We added that sword, boom, really, and then boom. Shit, type shit. Okay, so look, we gonna start. Where should we start? Should I take this hat off? This is my new setup. I know I had 3 monitors earlier. You can pan to me while I'm talking too. I had to get rid of one of the monitors, bro. It was tweaking, it wasn't working, you feel me? So I don't think y'all seen this build yet, actually. Now that I think about it, it's been that long, but I will put the specs up on the screen, you feel me? Shout out to my cousin Chris for helping me build it. That's my dog. 3, 2, 1. Low-key fire, bro. If you don't think it's fire, you're definitely hating. But we will come back to this. My room looks even cooler when it's dark once I turn the main lights off. But I really do like this room, y'all, because it gives me like a studio vibe. We're gonna bring y'all over here. Monitor, this is an Acer curved monitor. I forgot how many inches it is. Pause. This is my keyboard. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Like, listen to how it sounds. Low-key fire, right? It's wireless, by the way. Very good for cable management. Yeah. Boom, next we got my whiteboard, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? This is where I have my goals. Normally I would blur it out, but for this video, I'll let y'all see what I got on there. But this is how I have it. So my goals are on the left, working towards buying a new car. I want to hit 10K on all platforms, my first clothing drop, and I got to get my CompTIA certs, and then my first apartment, maybe, we'll see. And then I also have my first trading payout, because I do want to learn how to trade as well. And these are my daily checklists. These are things I aim to do every day. And these are all the cars I'm looking at right now. Remember these cars, because I will make a video on one of these cars once I buy them. But the reason I have Rick there, it's a reminder to experiment with life. Feel me though? Yeah. Here we have Montclair beanie. And we just have some random stuff. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I could be more organized. I have this chair, very comfortable chair. Whatever I gotta do, I could edit. I could do whatever right here. Anyway, behind here, I have important books or school stuff or whatever. Right here, I have my drawers and my socks, all my undergarments and stuff like that. I have the Bible right here. This is the study Bible. I know there was some dust on it. I do have to get back to reading this. Yo. Right here, I have my side table. Y'all see, I have a lava lamp. Did I get it just for this video? Maybe. Obviously, this is my bed, all right? This is where I lay my head at. Shout out IKEA. That's where I got the bed frame from. I got the ambient LED lighting on the back of the headboard. Yo, I forgot to mention a few things about my bed frame, at least. But yeah, bro, it got drawers underneath. Yeah, not really a big detail or anything. I just figured it'd make my room seem cooler, so I might as well just let y'all know that that's there. I don't know, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe though. Laptop. This is Pooks, all right? Make sure y'all say hi to Pooks. This is my daughter. You feel me? I haven't introduced the mother to y'all yet. We're still working on some things. But this is Pooks. This is my daughter right here. This is Vlad. I know I'm a grown man with plushies. Cry about it, gang. Boom, got my laptop. One thing I really do like about this room is I have this behind it. It is kind of messy right now. Right here, I keep all my essentials, right? I have my journals. One is for ideas and one is to clear my mind. Yeah. But yeah, right here, I keep all my camera gear and stuff. So my batteries, my SD cards, anything I need, it's right here. I have plenty of outlets to work with. So I can charge all my shit at once if I have to. I used to have all my cameras here on display, but I do have a couple people borrowing my cameras. But yeah. This is my little charging station. I did just add this lamp. This lamp used to be where that lava lamp was. I don't know if I like it there or not. Shout out Kisney Heroes. Shout out Kisney Heroes. One of the most fire parts of my room. You feel me? You can back up if you have to. My shoe collection, man. This is a very nice backdrop for when I do my short form content. Get ready with me, my outfits of the day, or if I'm modeling for a brand. I do all that right here. Put this tripod like this, put the drip on, and I literally do this. And I edit it and make it look cool, you feel me? This is my shoe collection. I will be making a video on this soon. I don't want to show too much, by the way. Don't rob me. I ain't gonna lie, don't rob me because you might get... Look, listen, y'all, don't rob me. It's not worth it. All right, this is my duck. My you duck. I know. Listen, y'all, look. I wanted to have the room all nice and clean and tidy for y'all, but honestly, that's not realistic. All right. But yes, I'm a regular guy. You feel me? I do laundry too. Next right here is my dresser. I keep my clothes in here, man. You know what I'm saying? I have a TV here too. The TV works, but I don't have cable. So I really don't watch TV. I don't watch TV. Damn. And then right here I have my cologne. So yeah, it does say 6'7" on there. Right here, I have like my hoodies or expensive pieces. It really depends, but this rotates like throughout the week, so it's not always the same stuff up here. Yeah, these are just clothes that I don't want to stuff in the drawer. Clothes that I kind of care about. By the way, I will put my Depop link in the description. Bro, I don't wear these every day. Like, I got a lot of stuff to sell. So if you're trying to cop some heat for the low, I got y'all. Down here, I have like work shoes and stuff. Work shoes, shoes I don't wear. But now look, y'all. So we just did a 360 around the room. But look, listen. Those of y'all that all stayed, bro, and waited for me to come back, I really appreciate you guys. I'm telling y'all, we finna be up next. Real talk. I know everybody say that, but I'm dead ass. You feel me? Let me know what y'all think in the comments about my room, and let me know if there's anything I should change or add. 5K subscribers, I'm eating the one too.